When we arrived in Cabo, we were as lucky as we could be. It was gorgeous to feel the hot sun on the skin and to jump into warm, crystal clear water again. We checked out some amazing spots and enjoyed the summer vibes.
Chilling in the sun! Oh my god, how cute!
Is that what you like? Yeah. It's getting a little rougher out here. I'm pretty sure there's a treasure in there.
One of these spots is a connection from the inner calm bay to the wild Pacific Ocean. They call it the Lover's Beach and the Divorce Beach. Kind of funny.
That was a big one. Yeah, you better don't go too far in there.
We had a nice day trolling around the beach while exploring lonely places. Yeah, even in Cabo you are able to find them. Stock up with fresh food and were crazy enough to swim ashore, go through cactus fields to shorten the way to the grocery store and go back with all the heavy stuff again.
It's a little adventure.
Getting long arms.
It's hot. But we have plenty of good stuff and good food now, and it was a little adventure with cactus needle in my feet.
Now we only have to get it through the shore break.
Last step.
Last step.
And then a
final exam.
Swim.
Yeah. Okay, let's swim to the boat, get the dinghy, and get the stuff on board.
but nothing feels better than a cold swim after a long walk. We enjoyed a couple days the party breeze of Cabo and pulled the hook to go into the Sea of Cortez finally. It was like an invisible border we crossed into the sea. Suddenly we had many fish jumping out of the water and even manta rays swimming by.
Can you see what kind of fish it is? Bite on my lure.
It felt so safe and comfortable to arrive in the Sea of Cortez.
Oh ja, Rochen. Okay. Ah.
Hier sind überall Manta-Rochen. Wie verrückt. Nee, das sind die beiden Flossen, die hochhalten.
Ja.
Deswegen glitzert die eine auch.
Plenty mantas.
We passed the Pulmo Reef on our way up the coast. It's one of the biggest healthy reefs and one of the top diving and snorkeling spots in the Sea of Cortez. So we didn't want to miss the opportunity to snorkel around these beautiful reefs. We decided to let Zero drift through the water. But unfortunately, the water was too murky to see some of the beautiful wildlife down there. But as it is on the ocean, the wind picked up and we could set the spinnaker to sail further and into the calm night.
So now after some really nice hours sailing on the spinnaker, doing 6.5 knots, we decided to go a little further and bang, the wind died. And now we are here in kind of, not middle on the ocean, I mean, we can see land here, but there's no wind at all. I mean, check it out, you don't hear anything. It's pretty much like anchored, so we decided we just stay here overnight and drift. And tomorrow hopefully the wind picks up and then we keep on going further into the Sea of Cortez and yeah, we see where we end up. For now, it's just chilling on the ocean. It's dead calm. There's not a ripple on the water. It's unbelievable. The wind is between 0 and 1 knot. But there's a little current pushing us. And there are plenty of stars. Finally the wind is back. Just a handful of knots, but it's enough. Over there is Isla Ciraldo. There will be our anchorage.
anchored in Los Muertos only 2 nights. We were so stoked to sail to the gorgeous Isla Espiritu Santo. A natural reserve next to La Paz. But this is another story to tell.
It's just me and my boat. It's just me